Hi everyone, I'm Faye and I'll be presenting the Diploma in Aeronautical Engineering for today's briefing. A quick introduction of the course. Aeronautical Engineering, or DARE, is first launched in 2002 and is the first aero engineering diploma in Singapore. Let's dive into what you will be studying as a DARE student. Here you will see some aero-specific module that you will take during the second and third year. For the first year, all MAE students will go through a broad-based engineering foundation. So what is aeronautical engineering? You can take it as a subset of mechanical engineering, which is a broad-based study, and aeronautical engineering is one of its specializations. A common question often asked is what's the difference between aeronautical engineering and aerospace electronics? Well, DARE mainly focus on the mechanical aspects of an aircraft, such as engine or propulsion, how aircraft fly, the aerodynamics, and the mechanical system on aircraft such as fuel, hydraulics, and landing gear. During third or final year, our student can choose either final year industry project or internship. For final year project, students will work as a team to solve a given industry problem as their project. Here are some of the FYP developed and fabricated by our student, which includes microthrusters, a human carrying drone, and flight simulator. If students choose to go for internship, they get to choose from a long list of aerospace aviation companies. Companies such as ST Engineering, SIAEC, Rolls-Royce are some of the examples that are shown here. At SP, we have a dedicated learning space for all of our DARE students, our Aero Hub. It is a shared facility for DARE and DAY students, which houses 4 aircrafts as shown on the right, 3 fixed-wing aircraft, and a UH-1H helicopter. Year 2 students get to have hands-on experience with these aircraft. Most of the aero-related modules are conducted here, especially lab and practical lessons. On top of that, our Aero Hub is also CAAS SAR 147 Training Center for ST Engineering Aerospace. This means ST Engineering will send their instructors and licensed aircraft engineers here for their operational environment practical training. As a DARE student, we'll provide opportunities for you to experience authentic industry training by attaching you to their program. The DARE course has crafted 4 elective track options for our students, and these elective modules are designed based on industry trends and needs identified by our government agencies. We believe that these tracks will enhance your internship opportunities and, more importantly, career opportunities with aviation companies. First, to further your skills, we have Aerospace Emerging Technology to meet the future technological trends, and Aerospace Design and Manufacturing to serve our growing aircraft component manufacturing industry. To broaden your knowledge, we have the Aviation Management track. This is beneficial for students who wish to work in our air transport sector, such as CAAS, CAG, or SATS. It is also advantageous for students who wish to pursue their Bachelor of Science with honours in Air Transport Management in SIT. You may be granted advancement or module exemption if you complete this suite of aviation management elective. If you aspire to be a licensed aircraft engineer, aircraft maintenance and composite repair track option is suited for you. Here, you will learn the skills of composite repair and advanced aircraft maintenance skill by working on our aircraft in Aero Hub. Oh, by the way, 2 of our electives in this track are conducted by SIAEC instructors. This means you will have the opportunity to visit SIA facility. So what are the career options after DARE? Well, there are opportunities in the aerospace maintenance companies, government ministries and agencies, and component repair companies. You can be a licensed aircraft engineer, a planner, or an assistant engineer, just to name a few. Instead of starting a career, I believe most of you will choose to pursue a degree program, either locally or overseas. Well, in fact, based on our graduate survey, about 70% of DARE students graduate to move on to complete a degree after SP. And as a DARE graduate, you may be granted 1 to 2 years of advanced standing for relevant program. Want to know where did some of our graduates went? Here are some of our alumni who did SP proud and are currently pursuing their career in aero-related industries. Firstly, we have Raylo. who graduated from SP in 2008. He furthered his studies with NTU to obtain his Bachelor in Mechanical Engineering and now is a senior officer with Singapore Airlines. Wei Yao also took a bachelor degree in Mechanical Engineering with NUS and now is a licensed unmanned aircraft operator and the co-founder of Flare Dynamics. Jun Heng, on the other hand, took his aircraft maintenance license with CAAS instead of a bachelor degree and is now a licensed aircraft maintenance engineer with ST Aerospace Sussex. Not forgetting our ladies, after graduating from ST, Valerie Chia did her degree in Mechanical Engineering with NUS and is now a system engineer and UAV platform technical lead in DSO National Laboratories. While Wan Ling furthered her studies with University of Bristol and obtained her master's in aerospace engineering, she is now serving our nations with RSAF as an Air Force engineer. With that, I've come to the end of my sharing. If you'd like to know more, please scan the QR code, which will lead you to SP Dare website. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you all the best in your journey ahead.